Hello children, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all well getting the help of my video. Now dear students, today you will solve the Ncert solution of class 12th maths. Now first question is in matrix A, the matrix is given here 2, 5, 19, minus 7. This is the first row. Second row is 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12. And third row is minus 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Dear students, here you have to find out the order of the matrix. Now, I told you earlier how you can find out the order of the matrix. The general formula of the order of the matrix is m cross n. M means number of rows and n means number of columns. So you can see here how many rows are here. There are 3 rows. First row, second row, third row. First row is 2, 5, 19, minus 7. Similarly, second row is 35, minus 2, 5 by 2 and 12. Similarly, the third row is given here root through 3, 1, minus 5, 17. So, how many rows are here? There are 3 rows. And how many columns are here? First column is 2, 35, root 3. Second column is 5, minus 2, 1. Third column is 19, 5 by 2, minus 5. And fourth column is minus 7, 12, 17. So how many columns are here? There are 4 columns. So what is the order of this matrix? So order of this matrix is 3 cross 4. This is the answer of the first part. Order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. And then number of element. So you can find out here how many elements are here. There are 12 elements. How? Because how many rows? There are 3 rows. How many columns? There are 4 columns. So 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. So number of elements are 12. Now in next part they are asking about the elements. First element is A12, second element is A21, A24, A23. They are asking about these elements. Now dear students, you know about what is A11. In general form, A11 is first row, first column. Then A12 means first row, second column. So what is, I told you all the elements. A11 is here 2. What is A12? That is first row, second column, that is 5. Similarly, A13, 13 means first row, third column, that is 19 here. And A14 means first row, fourth column, that is minus 7. And next one is A21. What is the meaning of A21? In general, second row, first column, that is here 35. Next is A22. A22 means second row, second column. You can see the element here, that is minus 2. And next one is 5 by 2, that is A23, second row, third column. And fourth one is A24, means second row, fourth column. This is the value of A24. And they are asking the element of A23. What is A23? That is 5 by 2. And next they are asking about A26. What is A26 here? A26 is A24. A24 is, that is second row, fourth column, that is 12. Now you can see the solution of this. The matrix of element first row, third column, that is A13 is 19, A23 is 35. I told you just now, A23 is minus 5, A24 is 12 and A23 is 5 by 2. So this is the solution of this question. How you can find out the element A13, A23, you can find out the value of all element. Next, your next PPT is, next slide is find the order 3 cross 4 matrix. Elements are given here. You have to construct that matrix 3 cross 4. So question is construct 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by aij equal to half of minus 3i plus j. Second question is aij 2i minus j. So students, 3 cross 4. What is the meaning of 3 cross 4? Means 3 rows 4 column. So you have to construct the matrix with the order 3 cross 4. So in general, what is the first element? That is a11. So in the place of I and j, first you will put I, and in the place of j you will put 1. When you will put I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, you will get the first element, that is a11. After that you have to find out the second element a12. What is the meaning of a12? That is first row second column. So in the place of I you will put 1, and in the place of j you will put 2. That is the element of a12. You have to find 3 cross 4 means 3 rows 4 column. So you have to find a13, a14 also. So how you can find out a13 and a14? You will find out a13 and a14 with the help of put I equal to 1 and j equal to 4. When you will put I equal to 1 and j equal to 4, you will get the value of 3 by 2. How you can find out this value? After putting the value of I equal to 1 and j equal to 4. After that you have to find out a21. What is the meaning of a21? A21 means second row first column. It means in the place of I you will put 2, and in the place of j you will put 1. So you can see here in first question, when you will put a21, so it will come 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 1, because in the place of j there is 1. So you will get the element of 5 by 2. Again you have to find out the element of a31, a32, a33, a34. You can find out all these values by putting the values of I and j. If you have to find out the value of a31, it means in the place of I you will put 3, and in the place of j you will put 1. When you will calculate this, it will come 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 into 3 plus 1, and you know that 3 into 3, that is minus 9 with negative sign, and when you will remove this mod, then it will come the positive value. In this way you can find out a31. Similarly a32, it means a32 means third row second column. So in the place of I you will put 3, and in the place of j you will put 2. So a32 in that will come 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 2, and after that it solving it will come 7 by 2. In this place you will get all the values, and you can see here written the general form is a11, a12, a13, a14. a14, that is means this is the first row and 4 columns. Similarly the second row is a21, a22, a23, a24. This shows the second row, and how many columns? 4. In the place of this you will put all these values. And third row is a31. a31 means third row first column. a32 means third row second column. a33 means third row third column. a34 is third row fourth column. In this way you can construct any matrix, 3 cross 4, 4 cross 3, 2 cross 2, all matrix you can construct. In this way you can solve this second question. Second question for you, how you will solve it? By this method. Now find the values of x and y. Students, how you can find out the values of x and y? Two matrices are given here. First matrix is x plus y 2, that is first row. 5 plus z xy second row is equal to sign is here. 6 2 is first row, 5 8 is second row. So how you can find out the values of these two? So students, you know that in matrix you will equate the corresponding element. What is the corresponding element? First of all, the order should be equal. What is the order of first matrix? That is 2 cross 2, because 2 rows and 2 column, and order of this 6 2 5 8 is, that is also 2 cross 2. So order is same, you can equate the corresponding element. So what is the corresponding element of x plus y? That is 6. What is the corresponding element of 2? That is equal to 2. It means this first row second element is same, and third one is a to 1. Here 5 plus z equate with a to 1, that is 5. So what is the value of 0? You know from class 10th, when you will solve 5 plus z equal to 5, it will come z equal to 0. Similarly, xy is equal to 8. Now you are getting here two terms, x plus y equal to 6 and xy equal to 8. So you will solve these two equations. How you will solve these two equations? You can 6 here. You can see here x plus y is 6 and 5 plus z is 5. So just now I told you z equal to 0. Now xy is equal to 8. So in the place of y, you can put the value of y is 6 minus x from equation 1. What is the equation 1? That is x plus y is equal to 6. So in the place of y, you can put 6 minus x. That is equal to x into 6 minus x is equal to 8. Now you will solve this equation. Open the bracket. You will get here 6x minus x square is equal to 8. By opening this, x into 6, that is 6x, x into x, that is x square with negative sign equal to 8. Now it is the quadratic equation. You will transfer this 6x minus x square in the left hand side, right hand side, then it will come x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. And after splitting the term, you will get x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now when you will get this, it is coming here x equal to 4 and x equal to 2. When you will put these equation in equation 1, you will get y equal to 4 and y equal to 2. This is from the class 10. How you will get these values? So what is the values here? The value of x is 2 and y equal to 4 and z equal to 0. So student, in this way you can find out the values of x, y and z in any question. Now next one, compute the indicated product. I told you in previous video how you will find out the product. So see here, we are taking one example here, that is first matrix is 2 3 4, 3 4 5, 4 5 6. What is the order of the first matrix? That is 3 cross 3, because 3 rows and 3 columns are here. And order of the second matrix, that is multiplied here, that is same 3 cross 3. When you will multiply these two matrices, when the column of the first matrix and rows of the second matrix are equal, then you can multiply two matrices. So here number of rows equal to number of columns, so you can multiply this. Now how you will multiply? First row multiply with first column. You can see here first row elements are 2 3 4. So you will multiply 2 3 4 with first column, that is 1 0 3. Now how you will multiply? 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. When you will multiply first row with first column, you will get the one element by with adding. Now you can see here 2 plus 0 plus 12, that is one element, that is coming here 14. Similarly, first row multiply with the second column. 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. This is the first row multiply with second column. You can see here again I am telling you, first row multiply with second column, you will get the element of first row, second element. After that, first row multiply with third column. So 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5. So it is coming here, after multiplying it is coming here 42. Now this is the first row. Dear student, in multiplication again I am telling you, when you will multiply with first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, you will get one row, that is first row. When you will multiply with second row, all columns, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, you will get the element of second row. Now you can see here 3, 4, 5 is second row and 1, 0, 3 is first column. So 3 multiply with 1, 4 multiply with 0, 5 multiply by 3. And similarly 3 multiply by minus 3, 3 multiply by 2 and this 5 multiply with 0. So this is the second element. Similarly 3, 4, 5 multiply with 5, 4, 5, because 3, 4, 5 is second row and 5, 4, 5 is third column. So it is coming here 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. The element will come 56 after solving. Now last row, that is 4, 5, 6. Last row multiply with first column, then last row multiply with second column and then third column. You will get the third row. So what is coming here? 4 into 1, then 5 into 0, then 6 into 3. This is the first row, first column. Then third row, first column. Then third row with second column is 4 into minus 3, 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. That is the element coming here, minus 2. Similarly third row multiply with the third column, that is 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 plus 6 into 5. So what is coming here? It is coming here 70. So this is the solution of this question. Next question for you, how you can find out the order of this matrix. So first of all I want to ask you, what is the order of the first matrix? How many rows? The rows are 3 here. How many columns? 2. So what is the order of first matrix? In next question, that is 3 cross 2, because 3 rows, 2 column. And in second part, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, that is multiplying here. How many rows? 2. How many columns? 3. So what is coming here? 2 cross 3. So order of first matrix is 3 cross 2 and order of the second matrix is 2 cross 3. So number of rows equal to number of columns, means 2 cross 3, that is equal. So it is, you can find out the order of this matrix, that is number of column of first matrix equal to 2, number of rows of second matrix equal to 2. So 2 cross 2. So you can multiply these two matrices. Thank you students.